Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. And now, like I stated in part 1, I'm pretty sure this is a special direct-to-garment or direct-to-print Puffy. I saw it at a show last year. And I came up with this, and it's pretty good. And one of my friends said it was dead on, but it's not. But if we take this font and just turn it all red, I thought about this before I did the other video, but I didn't think it would look pretty good, but it really does. And then go to Effects and Bevel. And I'm going to go distance of 0.2. And if you look, it is kind of like it's built up, but it's kind of square and not round. And you could play around with different intensities and get different colors and directional on like the shadow. And I mean, there's a lot of things you could play around with. And that doesn't look any really different than it kind of does. It kind of makes it look like it's standing off. I know nothing about printing, so I don't know what that will look like printed. But if we do take it and we nudge it over to our black outline, it looks pretty good. It does look like it's embossed. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.